Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you that how you can remove pimple marks from any faces by using Adobe Photoshop software. So for that you have to open the Adobe Photoshop software, then you have to select an image by clicking on open. Okay, you have to click on open, then select the picture that you want to remove the pimples. Okay, then it will open the picture here. Then you can zoom the picture by using Ctrl plus. Okay, as you can see there is some pimple is showing. Okay, for you have to go open this spot healing brush tool and click on the right button here, then select this spot healing brush tool. Like as you can see there is a circle is showing. You have to zoom it out by clicking the third bracket. Okay, it is zoomed in. Okay, now this circle you have to click on the circle on the pimples. Okay, if I click on the circle, as you can see the pimple has been removed. Okay, then if I remove this one, if I remove this one, if I remove, okay, on every pimple you have to select the circle, then click it, then okay, as you can see I am showing the removing the pimples from this woman's faces. So now as you can see the faces is totally clean. So then remove these pimples as well. Okay, so now this woman's face is totally clean. If you zoom out this picture, as you can see here, her face is now totally clean. So this is how you can remove pimples marks from any faces by using Adobe Photoshop software. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.